Personally, this place holds a very special place in my heart. They saved my life, they encouraged me so much, they gave me so much support, it's unreal.
The Lowdown is a local charity supporting 8 to 25-year-olds with various different support services. They're all completely free and confidential.
The Lowdown for this community, I think, is just a beacon of light, really. It's somewhere that everyone can be safe. There's something for everyone here. There's something on every day of the week. It's just a safe space for young people to come if they don't have that safe space somewhere else, and they can get that support, and it's just a great place for the community.
With the Lowdown, my involvement started as being a service user. I accessed the Wellbeing Cafe when I needed support when I was in year 10 and 11. I also received 2 lots of counselling here, and then from that, when I was accessing the services, the Youth Advisory Board was established, and that's how I ended up doing that.
Well, simply put, the Youth Advisory Board is here to promote mental health, make it more of a conversation, make it less of a stigma, make it more apparent. We do that by seeing how the Lowdown operates and how we can perhaps give our own suggestions, our own takes, our own ideas to make it feel more accessible and personal towards the more younger demographic of Northampton.
So our YAB is a Youth Advisory Board, and we help influence everything that happens here at the Lowdown, whether it's designs in the new building and the new extension, or what services we have, or I'm part of the social media champions campaign as well, doing social media posts and posters and things just to really get the message out about Lowdown.
So the Youth Advisory Board was established in April 2023, and it was established to hear more youth voice and youth perspective about the services that we run in the Lowdown and their opinions on mental health.
So we helped influence the building, which the YIF funding funded, and so the inside of the building was all designed by the Youth Advisory Board.
YIF has been absolutely transformational for the Lowdown. It has been able to provide us with new youth services for 8 to 25-year-olds. We've got new youth groups, a Mindspace group. We have a new Youth Advisory Board, been able to connect young people all together, and obviously our new amazing building, which has given us 5 new counselling rooms and new toilets, a new waiting area for young people. So we've got a whole new environment and a better place for them to be.
We now have way more space. The lounge behind us was established before this, and that holds all our youth groups and everything, so that's a nice space. But the actual extension that was recently done has provided more counselling rooms so they can access more people and support more young people. It's created a lovely waiting room which is much more accessible, more nice to be in, it's more comfier, it's more relaxing. The blue door and the entryway into the building is much nicer for young people. Before it was an intimidating red door and you basically walked into like a cage. It wasn't very welcoming, it was quite daunting as young people to walk through that door, whereas now it's much nicer, and the staff, you can see the staff as well, whereas you couldn't before, and it's just much more of an accessible building.
This place has meant a lot to me over the last couple of years because I had my own problems with mental health, and I came here to access support, and it really put me on my way to be working hard and doing other things. And it's just become, like I said, a very safe space and very comfortable, somewhere that I look forward to coming each week.
I think it has a very special place in the community. It is somewhere that supports so many young people, and statistics show that. I think it was above 19,000 contacts they had in the 23-24 year. So it really does impact a significant amount of young people.
Coming here, I feel like I have more of a say in who I can be and who I want to be, and and how I should feel and want to feel.
Their new phrase is, knows before you need us. Everyone knows who we are, and it's really important to us, and it's a nice place to be able to go and access any support you need.